Hey traders, welcome back to uGenesys, and just take a look at these remarkable earnings we've achieved for our clients today. On the left, you'll see a cent account where we've accumulated a total of 21.53 cents, reflecting an impressive 0.75% overall growth. And on the right, we have a standard dollar account boasting a total of $65.97, resulting in an outstanding 19.98% growth rate. And these profits were generated with our copy trading program, which enables you to link your account with our master account, automatically mirroring our daily trades. And the best part? Signing up is completely free, with no monthly or weekly fees. Regarding those earnings, we only deduct a modest 20% fee from your profits when you are in the green. So if you make $100, you'll give us $20 while retaining a net profit of $80. And this approach is distinct because unlike other programs, you pay only after you've generated profits, not upfront. And furthermore, it's hands-free and hassle-free. You can even let your profits accumulate while you're catching some Z's. This is an ideal situation for novice traders who may feel overwhelmed by the wealth of information available online. Consider it a long-term investment. With a conservative 2% monthly growth, you could witness an impressive 24% annual growth, a feat that most banks and investment firms cannot match. But hold on, it's not solely for seasoned players. Our copy trading service caters to both standard dollar accounts and cent accounts. You can start with as little as $10, equivalent to 1,000 US cents. However, for optimal results, we recommend beginning with at least 100 US dollars, which equates to 10,000 US cents. Your capital has room to flourish, and you maintain complete control. Feel free to withdraw your profits whenever it suits you. Your funds are entirely secure, and we have no access to them. Our Copy Send program is proudly in partnership with Hot Forex Markets, a reputable broker that sponsors the prestigious football club PSG. So don't hesitate any longer. This is the future of Forex trading. Click the link below to join our Telegram group for detailed instructions on how to get started. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.